Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur edges here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring edges in Canva can help blend an image more naturally into the background or create a softer look for a design. Although Canva doesn't have a specific blur edges feature or native tool, like some advanced photo editing software, you can achieve a similar effect using a workaround and creative techniques. Once you are logged into your account, open the design that you are currently working on. If you don't, just click on the Create a New Design. In my case, I'm going to start from scratch by creating a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I am going to upload this video in our GPlaps YouTube channel. And of course, that includes creating an engaging YouTube thumbnail. In this case, I'm going to upload an image. Now, this is basically the image that I wanted. Now, for me to be able to blur the edges of this specific image, all you have to do is go to the element section. All right. Now, in the search elements bar, type in gradient. You see that? Click on it. Now, the gradient, you should hover to the graphics tab. Here, you can choose any gradient that you wanted. Transparent gradient, you see, gradient shape, and a lot more. All you have to do, you see this option right here. For example, I'm going to be choosing a small one right here. You see that? You can basically flip that into horizontal. And this one right here. We're going to put in the edges of our image. And I'm going to copy that later here. You see that? I'm going to drag it here. Maybe rotate it so we have like a blur edges. See that? Copy that again, and of course, rotate it to flip that into vertically. You see that? So we have finally blurred the edges. Of course, you can put in the transparency if you want it a little bit smoother or softer kind of edges that you want. All right, so that's one way. Another option is, for example, choose a background. Say, for example, we're going to be using this. And select a photo right here. Maybe this guy right here. Or no, this one. Let's choose a free one. Say, for example, this one right here. Well, same concept. All I have to do is select the gradient on the element section. For example, this one right here. You see that? And of course, you can put as much as blur as you want. You see that? Copy that and flip it horizontally. See that? Basically, that's how you achieve the blur edges here in Canva. All right? This technique gives the appearance of phasing or fading edges and create a subtle blur-like effect on the edges of your image. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.